In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. And before doing anything, most people forget that you should always tap on a Change Setting in this pop-up, just to make sure this option, called Show when locked, is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. So check out if this switcher is black, like in my case, and go back. Now you can add your contacts to the list by hitting Add Contact and tapping on the one you wanna set up. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove any contact from your list, not from your phone, only emergency contact list, use this X next to the one you wanna get rid of and hit Remove. If you wanna change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one you wanna move it, and when you're done, let go. Make sure to hit Save at the top right corner. So now, let's check out if it works. I will go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up to hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Then view emergency info over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!